In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Lark. This is a quick update you can make on your computer to ensure coworkers see the name you prefer across chats and your workspace. Your display name is what appears in messages, mentions, and profiles, and it's separate from any login details. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to Lark on your desktop and have a stable internet connection so your change syncs right away. Begin by opening the Lark app on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top left corner of the window. You'll see your profile photo. If you haven't set one, it may show your initials inside a small circle. Click that profile photo to open your profile pop-up. This is a compact panel that shows your current name, email, and a few quick options, and it's the exact place you need to make this update. Inside that pop-up, find the edit icon next to your name. It typically looks like a small pencil. Click it to activate the name field. You'll see your current name highlighted and ready to change. Type the new name exactly as you want others to see it. Use proper capitalization, add accents if needed, and keep it professional and consistent with your team's naming conventions. Some organizations limit special characters or emojis in names, so keep it simple if you're unsure. If you use a preferred name, feel free to include it, and consider adding a last initial if there are multiple people with similar names in your workspace. When you're happy with the new name, press Save or OK. The button may appear in the lower corner of the pop-up. Make sure to actually click Save or OK. Clicking away without saving can leave the old name in place. After you confirm, Lark applies the change to your display name. You should see the new name right away in your profile pop-up. In most cases, it also updates quickly across chats, mentions, and your workspace members list. If it doesn't appear instantly for someone else, give it a moment to sync. Background updates can take a short time to reach every conversation. That's all it takes. Open Lark, click your profile photo, select the pencil icon next to your name, enter your new display name, and save. With just a few clicks, your updated name is visible across chats and your workspace, helping teammates find and recognize you easily. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Lark profile.